with meteorologist Deidre Tate.
Well, happy hump day. A little bit dreary for many of us, though. As you take a look at live pinpoint Doppler, we are watching some light rain activity around Metro Mobile, traveling up I-65, a little bit of rain. Also, some right around the Bay Minette area. We have more rain that we're watching moving in from the Gulf of Mexico, anywhere from Gulf Shores to Fort Walton Beach. You can count on catching a shower with dry weather dominating for the inland areas, mainly north of I-10. Right now in the city, again, it's 73 degrees. And in terms of Pensacola, a little bit more sunshine there. You're getting a break between showers, so you've warmed up to about 77, and it's 80 right now in Evergreen. Again, they're not getting any wet weather there. Currently holding at 78 for those of you in Destin. As far as pinpoint predictor, as we head into the afternoon, 5 o'clock or so, we are going to have a chance for more of those showers. The best chance of rain south of I-10 as we head into our Thursday, because today's rain is affiliated with an upper low. That's going to start to move away. So for tomorrow, we're still going to keep it more isolated. However, if you're west of the interstate, west of I-65, you have a slightly greater chance of rain. And then on our Friday, we're just going to have to wait and see really what happens in terms of this system that's in the tropics. Now, here's a look at 97L. It's continuing to make its way towards the north and west. This is drier air out ahead of it, and that's helping to slow down its development. We're looking at a different view here. This is infrared imagery. You can see the reds and the yellows indicating the colder cloud tops affiliated with storm activity in the core of the storm, but still really not showing signs of getting more symmetrical. However, it is growing, though. You can see it's a very large system. It's going to continue to move into the Gulf over the next day or so. And the wind shear here is anywhere from 20 to 30 knots. Wind shear is a change in wind speed and direction with height, and it is not favorable for strengthening of a system. So that's some good news. So if as long as this stays on the higher side, then maybe 97L may not grow into a tropical storm. But we are thinking it may at least become a tropical depression. Nonetheless, hurricane hunters will go in and investigate that today. Based on what they find out, we'll have more information on what it's going to do in its path. But so far, the forecast models are thinking that it's going to make its way towards the northern Gulf Coast, anywhere from, let's say, southeastern Louisiana on into the Florida Panhandle. So definitely want to watch for sure. Nothing to get too afraid of right now, but you want to always have a plan. Make sure that hurricane preparedness kit is ready to go. As far as the weekend outlook, as of right now, we're expecting high rip currents regardless of what the system does. Also dangerous surf, so keep that in mind for this weekend in case you have beach plans. And potentially we could be dealing with some wet weather for Bayfest. So just be mindful of that. For today, though, we'll go with 84 for high in Daphne, 84 for Citronelle, and 82 in Foley, keeping it cooler for you. More rain expected. A little warmer north of town where it's expected to be drier with 85 for Thomasville, 85 for Atmore, and a 30% chance of rain there. Into the Florida Panhandle, we're going to go with temperatures in the low 80s, 82 for Pensacola, 81 for Niceville, and into Mississippi. We're going to keep those temperatures on the cooler side also with 83 for Latimer, 83 for Moss Point, and 84 for Leakesville. So here's your 7-day. Rain chances today, 40%, and we're going to go with 84 for a high in Mobile. Thursday, Friday, Saturday forecast is subject to change, so stay tuned, but do plan on a few showers for your Bayfest weekend.